HyukGiLee, and I'm gonna present my extra credit project, which makes chessboard with using Total module by Python. And let's see the question first. The question is, use row of squares to make a chessboard with colors of your choice. Upload your code using the upload link. Include a link to YouTube for an on-screen video presenting and explaining your code. Okay, so the chessboard. So it has to look like the chessboard, like this kind of thing. And here's my code here. So I kind of noted all like questions here for the first, and then I put the code introduction for row of squares. So use fill square with color to write a function row of squares, which makes a row and pairs of squares with alternating colors. Plan on using fill square with colors S size, line size LS, LC line color, and FC fill color. Use LC equal black and LS equal 1, but I don't really have to use this one. Use of for loop appropriately, do as follows. So I follow this instruction here. WN equal WN equals total dot screen, and W in BG color, WN title, test rows row colored squares, and test equals total dot total. And so this is what I'm gonna get for my code. Row square 51 black, cyan, magenta 4. So line color will be black, line size gonna be 1, and the size is gonna be rectangular size. The square size will be 50, and I'm gonna have alternate color, which is cyan and magenta, each 4 of them. So first I'm gonna import total and write the same thing. I'm gonna have a BG color light green and title as test rows of chessboard. Test equals total dot total. So my total name is test, and I just want to show you the fastest way. So I'm gonna make my speed as 0. And for the helper function, like I have to define the fill square with color first. So size, line size, line color, and fill color. So line size, so the test color is line color and fill color. There's 2 color, and my pen size is gonna be LS, which is line size, and I'm gonna fill. Going to fill, so I'm gonna keep this one blank. And for I, because the square has 4 sides, I made a 4. And test, my total gonna be go straight, and then on the left angle 90-degree, it's gonna do repeat this for 4 times to make the squares, and then it's gonna infill, and then when it when the color filled, the total has to be, my test has to go one more again to to start the new squares in a row. And I define my row of squares as size, line color, and fill color 1, fill color 2, because we have to make an alternate color, and then end, and it's gonna be the how many squares gonna be in chessboard, which is 8. So and first I have to make fill color as fill color number 1 to make it right for row in range to end, because all I'm doing is 4 color of FC1, 4 color of FC2. So I have 2, 4. So my end is gonna be 4. And if to make alternate color, I have to make if row is divided by 2, then it's gonna fill with FC1, and if not, it's gonna color with FC2. It's pretty easy. And then, so I made my row of squares, and then I have to make those 8 rows. So I define another one, which I call chessboard, to make 8 rows in to make a big square. And the functions are same, but first, because I have 8 of them, I made my test to pen up because I'm not gonna draw, and then I'm gonna make my test to go to the left top, and then I'm gonna start fill row on the top to bottom. That's why I made my go-to to minus, which makes left side. And then my test gonna fill, so gonna draw, so pen down. Because my rows are 8 of them, I call I to make just easy for I in range to n, because n is gonna be 4 here. And this is the same, like the same as how I did on the row of squares. If I divide by 2 equals 1, then this starts with fill color with FC1, FC2. But if not, then it's gonna color FC2 first and FC1. And so this make my total test to have 8 rows, and then this one shows that if one row ends, then it has to be go back. So I have to make, but I don't want to draw it again, so I'm gonna make pen up, and then going back to the left side, and then make a right to draw again on the bottom of the row that I created. So that's this one. And I also made lastly I made a similar thing on the bottom, because when I made our 8 rows, the end, my total test gonna be go back to the left side and then go down. So I just wanted to make this my total to the up to make more like clean way. So chessboard, the size is gonna be 50, my line size is gonna be 1, my line color gonna be black, and my first color will be cyan, and my magenta will be the second color, and I have 4 of them. Because I made a 1, it's gonna, or let's see. You see? Because my last code, if I divide 2 and it remains 1, then my sign's gonna be, so this is gonna be the second one, and this is gonna be the first one. So first one, because I put FC2 first, magenta go first. That's why. And here is my chessboard. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.